English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us again today.
Today's topic is something most of us deal with regularly at work.
Yes, today we're talking about meetings.
Love them or hate them, meetings are a big part of professional life.
Scheduling them, attending them, and sometimes surviving them.
Questions like,
When's our next meeting?
can you send a meeting invite?
What's on the agenda?
How did the meeting go?
After today, you'll be able to talk about meetings with confidence.
Let's start with scheduling meetings.
Setting up a meeting.
Let's schedule a meeting to discuss the project.
When are you available to meet?
Does next Tuesday work for you?
I'll send you a calendar invite.
Can we push the meeting to later in the week?
Repeat. Let's schedule a meeting to discuss the project. When are you available to meet? Does next Tuesday work for you? I'll send you a calendar invite. Can we push the meeting to later in the week?
Being clear about availability helps everyone. Let's practice responding to invites.
Can you make the 3 p.m. meeting tomorrow?
I have another meeting at that time. Can we do 4?
4 works for me. I'll update the invite.
Quick and easy. Now let's talk about before the meeting.
Preparation is key.
What's on the agenda?
Can you send the meeting materials in advance?
How long is the meeting scheduled for?
Who will be attending?
Do I need to prepare anything?
Repeat. What's on the agenda? Can you send the meeting materials in advance? How long is the meeting scheduled for? Who will be attending? Do I need to prepare anything?
A good agenda makes for a good meeting. Let's practice asking about meeting prep.
Before the meeting, can you share the agenda?
Sure, I'll send it out this afternoon.
Great, thanks. That helps me prepare.
Always helpful. Now, let's talk about during the meeting.
Things you might say in a meeting.
Let's get started.
First, I'd like to discuss,
Does anyone have any questions?
can you clarify that point?
I agree with what was said.
I have a different perspective.
Let's circle back to that later.
We're running short on time.
Let's wrap up with action items.
Repeat. Let's get started. First, I'd like to discuss, does anyone have any questions? Can you clarify that point? I agree with what was said. I have a different perspective. Let's circle back to that later. We're running short on time. Let's wrap up with action items.
Meetings have their own language. Let's practice a meeting conversation.
First on the agenda is the budget for Q3.
I think we need to allocate more for marketing.
That's a good point. Let's discuss.
Productive discussion. Now, let's talk about after the meeting.
Follow-up is important.
I'll send out the meeting notes.
I'll send out the meeting notes. Here's a summary of what we discussed. Let me recap the action items. Thanks everyone for your time. Great meeting, everyone. I'll send out the meeting notes. Here's a summary of what we discussed. Let me recap the action items. Thanks everyone for your time. Great meeting, everyone.
Good follow-up ensures nothing is forgotten. Let's practice after meeting talk.
I'll send the action items by end of day.
Perfect. Thanks for a productive meeting.
Agreed. Great discussion.
Nice wrap-up. Now let's talk about virtual meetings.
Online meetings are common now.
Can you send the Zoom link?
My audio isn't working.
You're on mute.
I'm having connection issues.
Can you share your screen?
Please unmute yourself.
Can you send the Zoom link? My audio isn't working. You're on mute. I'm having connection issues. Can you share your screen? Please unmute yourself. Virtual meetings have their own challenges. Let's practice virtual meeting talk.
Sorry, I was on mute. Can you repeat the question?
No problem. I asked about the timeline.
Thanks. I think we can deliver by Friday.
Happens to everyone. Now let's talk about types of meetings.
There are many kinds of meetings.
Team meeting, everyone on the team.
One-on-one, just you and your manager.
Client meeting with an external client.
Kickoff meeting, to start a new project.
Status meeting to check progress.
Brainstorming session, to generate ideas.
All hands meeting, the whole company.
Team meeting,
everyone on the team. One-on-one, just you and your manager. Client meeting with an external client. Kickoff meeting to start a new project. Status meeting to check progress. Brainstorming session to generate ideas. All hands meeting, the whole company.
Each type has its own purpose. Let's practice talking about meeting types.
I have a one-on-one with my manager this afternoon.
Nice, those are always helpful for feedback.
Exactly. I have a few things I want to discuss.
One-on-ones are valuable. Now let's learn some important vocabulary for talking about meetings. This time we'll put each word in a sentence to help you remember.
Meeting, a gathering to discuss something. The meeting starts at 2 p.m.
Agenda, a list of topics to discuss. What's on the agenda for today?
Attendee, a person at the meeting. All attendees received the agenda.
Facilitator, the person leading the meeting. The facilitator kept us on track.
Minutes, notes from a meeting. I'll take the minutes this time.
Action item, a task assigned in the meeting. Let's review the action items.
Follow-up, further communication after a meeting. I'll send a follow-up email.
Recap, a summary. Here's a quick recap of what we discussed.
Brainstorm, to generate ideas, we need to brainstorm solutions.
Present, to show information. She will present her findings.
Presentation, a talk showing information. The presentation was very clear.
Q&A, question and answer session. We'll have Q&A at the end.
Breakout room, a smaller group in a virtual meeting. We'll split into breakout rooms.
Mute, to turn off your microphone. Please mute yourself when not speaking.
Screen share, showing your screen to others. Can you share your screen?
Virtual, online, not in person. The meeting will be virtual.
In person, face-to-face. I prefer in-person meetings.
Hybrid, some in person, some virtual. We're having a hybrid meeting.
Kickoff, the start of a project. The project kickoff is Monday.
Status, current situation. Let's give a quick status update. Great vocabulary. These words will help you talk about meetings.
Now let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake number 1, I have meeting.
Correct. I have a meeting.
Mistake number 2, meeting is at 2.
Correct. The meeting is at 2.
Mistake number 3, I attend meeting.
Correct. I attended the meeting, past, or I will attend the meeting, future.
Mistake number 4, we discuss about the project.
Correct. We discussed the project. Know about.
Let's practice. I have a meeting at 3 p.m.
The meeting was very productive.
I attended the client meeting yesterday.
We discussed the budget for next quarter.
Perfect.
Now, here's some idioms about meetings and discussions.
To table something. To postpone discussing it. Let's table that for next time.
To circle back. To return to a topic later. Let's circle back to that point.
To be on the same page. To agree or understand. We need to be on the same page.
To put a pin in it. To pause discussion. Let's put a pin in that idea.
To touch base. To briefly connect. Let's touch base after the meeting.
Repeat. Table something.
Circle back.
On the same page.
Put a pin in it.
Touch base. Before we finish, let's review.
We learned how to schedule meetings.
Does next Tuesday work for you?
We learned how to respond to invites.
Yes, I can make it.
We learned about meeting preparation.
What's on the agenda?
We learned what to say during meetings.
Let's get started.
We learned about after-meeting follow-up.
I'll send the meeting notes.
We learned about virtual meetings.
You're on mute.
We learned about different types of meetings.
One-on-one, team meeting, kickoff.
We learned important vocabulary with example sentences.
And we fixed common mistakes.
That's everything you need for talking about meetings.
Here's your challenge for today.
Think about a recent meeting you attended.
Describe it in 3 sentences.
I had a team meeting this morning. We discussed the new project and assigned tasks.
It was productive and finished on time.
Perfect.
Practice saying it out loud.
Now go to the comments.
Tell us about a memorable meeting, good or bad.
What made it stand out?
For example, I had a meeting that went for 3 hours with no breaks. I was exhausted.
Those are the worst.
Or I had a great brainstorming session where everyone contributed. We came up with amazing ideas.
Those meetings are rare and wonderful.
Share your meeting stories with us.
And if this episode helped you,
Please subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We post new English conversations every day.
Next time, we'll talk about another everyday topic.
You'll have to come back to find out.
Until next time, keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep speaking English.
Thanks for joining us at English Dialogue Studio.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.